I bet you didn't know how easy it is to get luscious, healthy hair. Want the secret to luscious, healthy hair that grows like a dream? Of course you do. We all dream of having those long, flowing locks that turn heads wherever we go. Well, get ready to unlock your hair's full potential with a DIY hair mask that's as good for your hair as it is easy on the wallet. Let's get started. We'll break down each ingredient, show you exactly how to make the mask, and give you all the tips and tricks for application. Get ready to be amazed by the power of natural ingredients and the incredible transformation they can bring to your hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Barry's Hair Tips for more amazing hair care secrets. Let's meet the star players in our hair growth mask, each chosen for their unique superpowers. First up, we have Aloe Vera, the soothing superhero. Aloe Vera is a natural moisturizer that helps to hydrate your scalp and hair, preventing dryness and breakage. It also contains enzymes that promote healthy hair growth and add shine. Next, we have Peppermint, the invigorating champion. Peppermint oil stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, which can help to promote hair growth. It also has a refreshing and cooling effect, leaving your scalp feeling tingly and revitalized. Then there's Avocado, the creamy nutrient powerhouse. Avocado is packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that nourish and strengthen hair follicles. It helps to prevent hair loss, reduce breakage, and promote overall hair health. And last but not least, we have green tea, the antioxidant warrior. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that protect your hair from damage caused by free radicals. It also helps to soothe the scalp, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy hair growth. Together, these 4 ingredients create a powerful synergy that will leave your hair feeling healthier, stronger, and more vibrant than ever before. All right, let's gather our ingredients and get our hands dirty. You'll need 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, or store-bought, make sure it's pure, 4 to 5 drops of peppermint essential oil, start with less, it's potent, half a ripe avocado, and a 1/4 cup of cooled green tea, brewed and chilled. Now for the fun part. Grab a bowl and mash the avocado until smooth. Add the aloe vera gel, peppermint oil, and green tea. Mix everything until you have a nice, consistent paste. It shouldn't be too runny. See? Easy peasy. Now you've got a bowl full of hair-loving goodness, ready to work its magic. But before you slather it on, let's talk about how to apply this magical potion for maximum benefit. Section 4. Mask on, shine on. Application tips for gorgeous hair. Time to pamper those tresses. Here's how to apply your DIY hair mask like a pro. First, start with damp, not soaking wet, hair. Think lightly towel dried. Next, section your hair to make sure you're applying the mask evenly from root to tip. Massage the mask into your scalp gently using your fingertips. Ah, that feels good. Once your scalp is covered, work the remaining mask down the length of your hair. Pop on a shower cap or wrap your hair in a warm towel and let the mask work its magic for 20 to 30 minutes. While you wait, why not put on some relaxing music, sip on some herbal tea, and just unwind? This is your time for self-care. After your mini spa session, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water, followed by your usual shampoo and conditioner. You'll be amazed by how soft and silky your hair feels. Section 5. Frequency is key. How often should you treat your tresses? Consistency is key when it comes to seeing results with your DIY hair mask. Aim to use it 1 to 2 times a week, depending on your hair's needs. If you have dry or damaged hair, you can use it twice a week for an extra boost of hydration and nourishment. If your hair is on the oilier side, once a week should be sufficient. Remember, everyone's hair is different, so it's important to listen to your hair and adjust the frequency as needed. The most important thing is to be consistent with your treatments to reap the full benefits of this hair-loving mask. now that you know how often to use your new secret weapon. And there you have it. With these simple ingredients and easy steps, you can achieve the luscious, healthy hair you've always dreamed of. Treat your hair with love and care, and it will thank you in return. Happy hair care journey. Please like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.